Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated goofy lamp, and this is George's equipment from California. And this is the initial checkout of this really cool animated lamp. George has a note with this unit, and he's talking about when he tries to use the lamp, the unit just makes a bunch of clicking noise. So there's all kinds of issues going on with Goofy. Now we want to troubleshoot the gear cluster pack and repair any problems that we find. Now we also want to troubleshoot the electronics, the PC board that controls the functions for the Goofy lamp. It may be an electronic issue causing the gear cluster pack to overdrive and strip the gears. We will be troubleshooting the entire lamp while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool animated Goofy lamp, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with all of our repairs, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, we've already got the unit plugged into the electrical outlet, and we have the main power switch at the back of the base of Goofy in the on position. We want to go ahead and turn this unit on.
That's better. Now I can see what I'm doing. Yep.
Now we want to wait a little bit. It's not good to turn this type of lamp on and off too quick. We want to go ahead and give it a little bit. We'll turn the unit off.
Who turned out the light?
We'll give that a second. Turn the unit back on.
Hello.
Now Goofy has a lot of cool sayings when you turn the lamp on and off. We'll go ahead and turn the lamp off.
Where'd you go?
We'll go ahead and give that a second. We'll turn the unit back on.
Yep, things are looking brighter already.
We'll wait a little bit. Turn the unit off.
Gosh, sure is dark all of a sudden.
And we'll turn the lamp on one last time.
I got a bright idea. Just have to remember what it is. Yep.
Now that we know that this really cool animated Goofy lamp has been repaired, we can return this unit back to George and he can enjoy this lamp once again. I'm sure Goofy's going to look great wherever he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.